Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn 20 phrase idioms that we use in Czech. Before watching this video, make sure to watch the previous video where I also break down some expressions involving other body parts. So let's get started. First we have mít velké oči. We have jedno oko a dvě oči. Mám velké oči means literally I have big eyes, which you can say, this is the first meaning, but the second meaning, when I say mám velké oči, znamená, it means that I have big expectations. The infinitive would be mít velké oči, and we typically say it when we are hungry and we just give too much of food on our plate. We would say, or people around you would say, ty máš velké oči. Like, do you think you can handle all that food? I think you're maybe overestimating yourself. The second expression is nevěřit svým očím. Cože? Nevěřím svým očím. Literally, I can't believe my own eyes. Věřit, to believe. Nevěřit. Nevěřím svým očím. The third expression, my favorite one, is od oka. Dělat něco od oka, or typically dát něco od oka, to do or to give something literally from the eye. It means from some kind of estimation. Approximately. Například, když vařím, nedávám přesný počet ingrediencí. Dám ingredience od oka. If I ask you, kolik mouky potřebuješ, you can say, nevím, já tam dávám od oka. I just give a little bit of flour by my eye, just by estimation. Then let's continue to nos. My favorite three expressions with nos are dávat si do nosu. It would be translated as I'll give myself to my nose, literally. But we use it typically with food and drink. Your grandma, your Czech grandma, or any other person who cooks for you would tell you dej si do nosu, like put yourself a lot on your plate, which would be, if then this person says also máš velké oči, it would be kind of funny. But I can say also to myself, dala jsem si do nosu, I really enjoyed myself, I put so much stuff on my plate, or even with drinks. So dát si do nosu is the infinitive. Dám si do nosu. Then if you don't consider Czech food worthy of your attention, we could say this about you: ohrnovat nad něčím nos. Literally to roll your nose over something. So if you don't look like you'd like to try our food, we can say ohrnuješ nos nad jídlem. You don't consider this food worthy of your attention, so you roll your nose over it. So yeah, as you guess, it's negative, but we can also, if you try to make fun of you, but in a nice way, just to nudge you a little bit, we would say neohrnuj nad tím nos. Not even just with food, just with anything, really. I can just say nebudu nad tím ohrnovat nos. I'll just make it easy for everybody. And my favorite, really, I use this all the time, is před nosem. Literally in front of my nose. When you're running for the tram, the bus, anything, you can, and you'll miss it, můžeš říct, you can say, tramvaj mi ujela před nosem. The tram literally ran away, just went away in front of my nose. So just when you're almost there and you miss it. So you can say this with bus or vlak. Bus mi ujel před nosem, vlak mi ujel před nosem. You can say that somebody close the door in front of your nose. Zavřeli mi dveře před nosem. So just literally in front of my face. Then we continue to ucho or uši in plural. Firstly, this is my favorite one. We say poslouchat, infinitive, poslouchat na půl ucha. It means literally to listen to the half of your ear, meaning you're not listening completely what someone else is saying. So if you're at the university, you're listening to your teacher, but you don't really pay attention, you're maybe scrolling down your phone, you can just say poslouchám na půl ucha. I'm kind of listening what you're saying, but not completely. I'm not paying full attention. Poslouchat na půl ucha. Then this is my favorite as well. Mít pusu od ucha k uchu. Synonymum je usmívat se. So mít pusu od ucha k uchu is literally to have your mouth from ear to ear, and it means to smile widely. Typically when someone is až po uši zamilovaný is the third expression, when somebody is head over heels. Až po uši is also the name of a quite famous Czech TV show. I recommend you to watch it, and it means literally over your ears, up until your ears. Use it in this romantic context. Then we move on to pusa, to mouth. Lže, až se mu od pusy práší. So she is lying up until the point when there's the dust coming off from his or her mouth. So maybe it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's not. So lhát is to lie. It is a bit irregular. Já lžu, ty lžeš, on lže. I can also say lžu. Až se mi od pusy práší. So yeah, you're just lying so much that even the dust is coming off your mouth. I don't really know why we say it, but I think it's quite funny when translated in English. Then the second one, also very visual, I would say, is mazat med kolem pusy. To spread honey around your mouth. When someone else is trying to trick you into something or tries to, I guess, manipulovat a little bit, you can say Nemáš mi med kolem pusy. Don't spread mouth over my mouth. Don't just play nice with me. Just tell me, tell me the truth, honestly. And then this one's quite easy. S otevřenými ústy, or usta is lips, or you can even say s otevřenou pusou. It's similar to nevěřit svým očím. When someone tells you big news, you can say you're receiving this news with your mouth open, like wow, you're really shocked. Jsi v šoku. By the way, you must have noticed that the endings of Czech words tend to change. We call this the cases. In Czech, we have these long grammar charts for each gender, but memorizing them can be pretty boring and it can discourage you from learning Czech. Therefore, I created my Simplified Czech Cases course, where you will master the system of Czech cases in a practical and engaging method through short stories. You will start using Czech cases in context rather than memorizing isolated phrases. The link to the course is down below. Go check it out. Next, we move on to zuby, to teeth. Jeden zub, or zuby in plural. When I say dám si něco na zub, it means literally I want to put something on my tooth, but it really means that you're craving something. Dám si něco, chci si dát něco na zub. Just I'm craving something. I want to give something to my tooth. I want to eat something, but I don't know really what. But something tasty and likely caloric. So dát si něco na zub, infinitive, and dám si or dáš si něco na zub, to like something small, something sweet, etc. Then this one is quite negative, but we use it a lot. Mám tě plné zuby. Mám tě plné zuby. I have my teeth full of you, which means you're driving me crazy. I'm so angry with you. I'm fed up with you, really. So the infinitive, again, mít, to have, mít někoho, of somebody, or něčeho. Mít někoho or něčeho plné zuby. To be fed up with somebody or something. You can even say, mám plné zuby češtiny. Mám toho plné zuby. I'm just fed up with Czech, I'm fed up with it. And then the third one is brousit si na někoho zuby. Brousím, like when you're at the dentist, brousím si zuby na někoho. Brousím si na tebe zuby. I'm having some kind of plan. Maybe I want to do something to you. It doesn't have to be negative or positive. You just want to express the plans that you have and that you're doing it. And Victor from Minions, he would be using this a lot. Brousím si na někoho zuby. I'm planning something suspicious. So the infinitive, brousit si na někoho zuby. And we're coming slowly to the end. Hlava, the head. We have three expressions that we use quite a lot. Mám toho nad hlavu, which would be literally, I've got it over my head, but of course it's translated as I've got too much work, I'm so busy, overwhelmed with work. So mám toho nad hlavu, again the infinitive is mít. As you can see, there are so many expressions with the verb mít, so don't forget to check out my video that I've made, the link is here. Then a similar expression is jde mi z toho hlava kolem. Jde mi z toho hlava kolem, which means literally that my head is walking basically around my neck. I'm so confused that my head is spinning. So in English it would be, I can't wrap my head around it. Jde mi z toho hlava kolem. And then my favorite one, if you're having a hard time, your head is spinning, you can wrap your head around something and you might ask for help and the person would tell you, don't worry, víc hlav, víc ví. More heads, no more, literally. Hlava and hlavy in plural, víc hlav, víc ví. You can resolve your issues when someone else can help you. Víc hlav, víc ví. Finally, moving on to krk. Say I'm fed up with something, we would use mám toho pokrk. It's way up to my neck, so mám toho pokrk. I'm done with it, I'm fed up with it, it's over. Mám toho pokrk. My favorite one also is leze mi to krkem. Something is crawling through my neck, which would be translated really as it's driving me crazy. It's driving me crazy. Also, I'm fed up with it, but it's also something that's nagging you. Not up until the point where you can't anymore deal with it, but it's like the first stage, let's say. Leze mi to krkem. That's it. Actually, no, that's not it. This was the 19th expression, and I've got a bonus one for you, the 20th, which would be mám toho plný brejle. So brýle is the official word for glasses. Yeah, for sunglasses it would be sluneční brýle, but that's not the point. And brejle is a slang word. And if I say mám toho plný brejle, it also means I'm fed up with it. My glasses are full. That's it. I can't do this anymore. Which now when I'm done filming this video, I realized that in Czech we do have a lot of expressions to use when we want to complain, but I guess that's normal. We're not the only nation that complains as a national sport, I guess. So at least next time when you complain, you can do it properly as a Czech person would do. And hopefully this video was useful to you. That's it for this video. I really hope that you liked it and that you enjoyed it. And of course, as there are more expressions, please let me know down below in the comment section what other expressions you know, or maybe what are your favorite ones. I'm really curious to hear. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!